Lesson 13, Reading Practices. Dear Bud, we were sorry to learn yesterday that our shipping room did not fill your July 3 order properly. Period. I made a note on the order that 100 copies of Mrs. Swift's cooking guide should be shipped to your 5th Street stock room, but that the bill for $450 should be sent to your home. Period. The shipping clerk did not see my note and sent the books to your home and enclosed the bill inside the package. Paragraph. Our truck will pick up the books at your home soon and take them to your stock room. Paragraph. Thanks, Bud, for being so patient with the inefficiency of our clerk. Period. Yours very truly. Lesson 13, Reading Practice number 9. To the staff, I am glad to be able to write you that in April and May we had a good increase in the sale of our sugar products. Period. I am well pleased. Period. This increase can be traced to 3 factors. Paragraph number 1. The hard work of our sales people. Paragraph number 2. The fine work of the copywriters who prepared the circulars we mailed to our dealers in March. Paragraph number 3. The fine work of our shipping staff who filled all orders the same day they came in. Paragraph. May I thank each of you sincerely for your cooperation. Period. A.J. Smith. Reading practice number 10. Mrs. Tucker, thank you for the copy of the notes you made at our March sales meeting in Tulsa. Period. I was glad to get them because I left my own notes on the plan and was not able to recover them. period. Your notes will be of great help to Mr. Parks and Mr. White, who will soon start working on their plans for the July meeting. Paragraph. I learned yesterday that the only date on which we can hold our July meeting is July 31, period. All the meeting rooms in our building will be full from July 1 through July 30. Paragraph. Again, thanks for the notes you enclosed with your letter, period. It will be nice to see you again at the meeting on July 31, period. Ethel Booth.